The magical journey of Bella the butterfly. Once upon a time, in a sunny garden full of flowers, there was a tiny egg resting on a green leaf. It was so small that no one even noticed it, but inside, a big dream was growing. This was Bella, the baby butterfly, waiting for her first adventure. Stage 1. The egg. One warm morning, the egg began to shake. Crack, crack. Out came a tiny, wiggly caterpillar. Hello, world, she said, stretching her little body. She was hungry, very hungry. She started munching leaves all day long. Munch, munch, munch. When Bella eating and growing. Stage 2. The caterpillar. Days passed and Bella became a big, chubby caterpillar. She loved her green home and danced under the sunlight. But soon she felt sleepy, very sleepy. I think it's time for a change, she whispered. So she hung upside down from a branch and spun herself a cozy blanket called a chrysalis. Stage 3. The chrysalis pupa. Inside the chrysalis, Bella was fast asleep. But even though she looked still, magical changes were happening inside. Her tiny legs, wings, and bright colors were forming. Days turned into nights, and nights turned into days, until finally, crack, the chrysalis opened. Stage 4. The butterfly adult. Once came Bella, no longer a crawling caterpillar, but a beautiful butterfly with bright wings of blue, yellow, and orange. She flapped her wings slowly, feeling the wind lift her higher and higher. She sipped nectar from flowers, danced in the sunshine, and sprayed beauty whenever she flew. Wow, Bella said. I changed so much from an egg to a caterpillar to a chrysalis and now a butterfly. The lesson. Bella looked down at the leaf where she was once an egg and smiled. She knew that change is a part of life, and every step makes you stronger and more beautiful. And from that day on, whenever children saw a butterfly flutter by, they whispered, "Look, it's a Bella, the magical butterfly." Thank you.